fuck is we out here, bruh? We already in trouble, bruh, for the same shit last time,
Bro,
bruh.
you already complaining, bro. What are you doing?
Fuck all that, bruh. I ain't trying to get in trouble no more.
Bro, fuck what he talking about. Hey, Kimani, go ring that doorbell.
Why you gotta make me do it?
Well, Darion a baby. He not gonna do shit.
True.
Duran a square already.
Man, I ain't no square no more, bruh. I'm not no baby. I'm older now, nigga. So you gonna start treating me with some respect.
I don't care how old you get. You my little brother. If you really want to do something, nigga, let's go.
Bruh, I ain't say I wanted to fight. I just want to be respected.
Man, fuck what you talking about. Hey, Kimani, you got double if I beat your ass.
Hey, you ain't gonna beat my ass, but I'll go. I ain't Duran.
Oh.
Man, I ain't fucking with you niggas, bruh.
Go.
I'm not fucking with you niggas.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, bro, come on, shut the fuck up.
Hey! Knocking on my damn door.
Go, slow ass!
Shay, you good?
Yeah, we good.
Bro, Duran, bro, go look, bro.
Nigga, I ain't looking. Fuck that. Oh. Ivy, come on.
I know your fucking mama.
Bro, your phone. Who's that? I'm calling you.
It's mom. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Yeah, mom.
Kenny, where the fuck you and your brothers at? Why the fuck y'all over there doing dumbass shit, knocking on neighbors' doors and shit? Like, they ain't gonna call me and tell me. When I get home, I'm beating the fuck out of all y'all.
Alright, check this out. You ain't finna get in trouble. All we say, we go to the park. That's it.
I'm with that.
I got you, bro.
Alright, I'm with it. But if we get caught, nigga, I'm telling, nigga.
Hey, you better not tell, bro.
Fuck all that.
Hold on. All I know is I'm not about to get my ass whooped. I'm the baby. I don't care about none of that.
Duran, bro, we count on you, bro. This is ass whooping say. Do not snitch. Stick to the plan, bro.
Don't snitch, bro.
We went to the park.
Went to the
We
park.
ain't getting our ass
Stick
whooped.
to the plan. You gotta
I
stick
ain't
on
get
it,
my
bro.
ass whooped
Promise.
regardless, but,
Promise.
you know, don't
Promise.
snitch.
I love you niggas.
Come on, bro.
But all I know is, if we get caught, I'm gonna fold like paper.
Hey, shh. That's mama. That's mama.
I get to these motherfucking kids, I'm gonna beat their ass. Don't be quiet now, motherfuckers! Okay, I'm not even gonna get mad at y'all. Go in the house.
Mama.
So y'all
Mama,
still
please.
okay?
I'm gonna tell you
Get it over
everything.
with, bro.
I'm gonna tell you everything.
Right, bro. I hate mom.
So you gonna still sit your ass down?
Yeah, mama, come on. Kenny made me do it, mom.
Kenny made
Kenny,
you.
mama, Kenny made me do it.
I don't know what the fuck y'all doing all that crying for. Y'all wasn't doing that shit when y'all was doing dumb shit. And Kenny, as you been all this
What's my fault?
nigga,
Mama,
what?
I told him.
Get your ass up. What the fuck you laughing for? Get up.
Hold on.
Get up now.
All right,
now.
Mama.
Now.